Yo, let me tell you this. The average American family spends about $1,200 every single month in groceries. So in today's video, I'm going to go over 10 different ways that you can reduce and cut back on your grocery budget. Hi, so my name is Josh and I make videos on ways that you can save, make money, and all things related to your finances. So if you care about your money, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. So the first thing that you can do to cut back on your food budget and your grocery budget is to simply meal plan. Meal planning will take a lot of the headache, the hassle, and everything else out of figuring out what you're going to eat. Before Keisha and we started doing meal planning, one of the biggest conversations after we got married is,
do you know what you want to eat?
Whenever you plan for something, you pretty much will be more efficient at doing the things that you want to do. So if you do meal planning, it will make you more efficient about what to cook, what to eat, what to shop for. And therefore, if you can start clustering meals together, so if you have, just say, chicken breast one night, you have chicken salad the next day, and you can just use that chicken up until it's gone. So meal planning can help save you so much money. And another way that you can also save money on your groceries is learning how to cook. So learning how to cook can save you so much money, because you can go out to a grocery store and you can buy crab legs. Like right now in Georgia is $8.99 a pound over at Kroger. And if I don't even want to cook them, they will steam them right there in the grocery store for you. However, just say if I went to one of those high-end restaurants, those same crab legs would cost me about $40 just for 2 little clusters. So whenever you learn how to cook, you will save so much more money. Whenever I go into the grocery store, I need a list, because if not, I will begin to grab this. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. And I just start putting all of this stuff into the shopping cart. Creating a list will pretty much give you a guide of what you need to get after you do your meal planning. After you know what you're going to cook, make that list. And that way you can go there and get exactly what you need. Because it is so easy going into the store and derailing and say, you know what, that's just $2. That's an extra $1. Next thing you know, you go over to the register, you're $66.50 over, right? So the thing is, make a list if you want to stay under budget. And if you want to save money, sign up for the grocery store's reward program. One thing I love to do is go there and see how much money I can save. It's not pretty much just throwing random stuff in the cart just to say I saved a greater amount. But I will go into the grocery store and say, wow, I saved $30 today. Whoa, last time I saved $35. And sometime, like with my brother and we can go back and start comparing prices as well and see how much we saved and who saved most. I mean, make it a family game if you have to. Sign up for the store rewards, look for those coupons out there, and try to buy on sale if you possibly can. Don't go shopping for groceries on an empty stomach. You don't want to go hungry, because whenever you're hungry, everything in the store begins to look better. Because I would go hungry and I would start pulling stuff off the shelf and say, oh, that's so good. I haven't had that in 2 years. Let me throw that in there. Oh, that chicken leg looks so good. Oh my goodness, let me drop it in. And next thing you know, I overspend because I'm hungry. Then when I get in the car, I don't feel like cooking. So what do? I stop by Bojangles. I stop by Chick-fil-A or any other place, because then I don't feel like cooking because I'm just so hungry. But you don't want to go into the grocery store hungry. That's not a great choice. And another way that Keisha and we save money on our groceries is buying those items that's on sale. It's just one of those things that you can find so many items, especially at the grocery store, on sale at the end of the month. The thing is, they're trying to clear out the grocery store because at the beginning of the month, they have new inventory coming in, so they will discount the prices on things just to get them off of the shelves. I guess that's what they call price to move. We save so much money by buying store brand items. I'm not saying that you have to buy store brand items on everything, but a lot of times the stores will replicate what the bigger manufacturers are doing. So if you are buying a box of cereal for $5 and the store brand is $2, you just save money right there. You are paying just for the name brand. All right, so if you're going out there with those big companies and say,
well, I'm going to be picky today. I'm going to get this and not that because this brand, it just sounds better when you say it.
I mean, cut me a break. Really? You can save so much money when you're not throwing a lot of money into their national advertising campaign. And a lot of times that's what you're paying for. You're paying for the name, you're paying for the advertisements, and you're paying for the experience. And another way that we're able to keep our grocery budget so low, comparing prices at other stores. Now, I'm not talking about store hopping just because it's 3 or 4 cents less over there, but sometimes you will find some great deals on meat and produce by just shopping around, looking at those coupons as well. But shopping around at one store versus the other can save you so much money because you can end up saving $30, $40, $50 by just going across to the next store and seeing what type of deals they have. Use the power of the internet. You can even pick up your phone and begin to compare prices online just to see what they're going for at one store versus the other. Whenever you shop online, you will avoid the temptation of going into the store and all of this stuff looking at you. I mean, I'm a victim of it. I know my daughters are a victim of it. I'm not talking for you, but have you ever done that? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. But shopping online can save you so much money. Now, a lot of people throw away so many groceries. You can buy freezer bags and proper storage bags and just know how to store your food because it will last so much longer if you store it properly versus the air getting in it, start getting stale, the marshmallows start getting moist and stuff like that. So you just want to make sure that you're storing your food properly, and that way it lasts longer. Therefore, if you don't have to go to the store, and you save what? Money. So what are some ways that you save money at the grocery store? Leave those down in the comment section below and check out more videos right over there, and I will see you in the next video.